Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about 5 dry fruits that are a must for women above 30. 1. Almonds. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. Essential for bone health and heart function. Helps maintain hormonal balance and supports skin elasticity. 2. Raisins. Packed with iron, antioxidants, and B vitamins, aiding blood circulation and preventing anemia. Enhances energy levels and promotes healthy skin. 3. Figs. High in fiber, calcium, and antioxidants, supporting digestive health and preventing constipation. Helps regulate hormones and improves fertility. 4. Dates. A natural source of iron, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Crucial for energy and digestion. Helps curb sugar cravings in a healthy way. 5. Walnuts. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting brain health and reducing inflammation. Helps maintain heart health and balances cholesterol levels. Women over 30 experience hormonal shifts, metabolism changes, and evolving nutritional needs, including nutrient-rich dry fruits in the diet can support overall health, energy levels, and well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.